What up, y'all? What's going on? You know me. I'm doing everything but working. Out here doing some recon work, Fleet Direct. There's a whole slew of Skittle trucks. Whole thing. So I guess this company is they sell trucks and they have a trucking company, I guess. I'll be seeing this company online, and then on the other side up over there is what's that other trailer builder? Not Next Gen or man, brain fart. Anyway, about to go in here and be nosy. But like I said, I'm doing everything else but working. That's what I need to be doing. Just doing some recon work. Whole different state. I'm in Alabama right now. Just come from Atlanta. Seeing what type of work is out here. But they got new stuff out here, boy. Fleet. All right, y'all. Just letting y'all see what I see.